Hi, this is how you perform a factory reset of the Sonos Array. First, start off by flipping the soundbar over and remove the power cord, but leave the other end of the power cord still connected to the wall socket. You now want to press and hold the connect button on the back of the soundbar at the same time as you provide it with power by inserting the power cable back into the soundbar. Upon doing this, the little LED light on the front starts blinking white. Keep holding the connect button until the light changes color to orange and then let go of the button. After a few seconds, the light changes color again, this time to green, indicating that the reset process is now complete. If you're selling or getting rid of the soundbar, now is the time to unplug it and pack it down. Otherwise, just open up the Sonos app on your phone and the Array soundbar should pop right up. If it for any reason does not show up straight when you open the app, you can also initiate the setup by navigating to Settings followed by System and then press Add Product. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye.